Did you know that the S in Model Context Protocol stands for security? Because there's practically zero security when it comes to MCP. I will show you why and also how to mitigate, but let's first go over the basics. First of all, Anthropic introduced Model Context Protocol last November. OpenAI adopted it in March of this year, making it pretty much the de facto way for your AI agents, your LLMs, to get new capabilities and access to tools, which also opens up your attack space dramatically. There's a lot of shadow MCP servers in a lot of organizations because, quite frankly, I don't think many CISOs or VP of engineering types are understanding the threat that this imposes on their organization. You can check out this article, Emerging Security Risks with Model Context Protocol, on mcpmanager.ai. That is what this channel is for, but I will go over just a couple of them and then show you how to mitigate. So there's the rug pull, which is a pretty insidious attack. After you approve an MCP server, this attack banks on the fact that you trust that the tools within that server are not going to change, but they do. And the descriptions for tools can change after you approve them. And that's essentially called a rug pull because it gets pulled out right from under you. Whether we're talking about that kind of attack or tool poisoning or prompt injection, ultimately the antidote to these vulnerabilities is a gateway. You're really wanting middleware to mitigate the unfettered access that your AI agents will by default be able to get when they are accessing your MCP servers and the data that the MCP servers gives them access to. And so MCP Manager, we're the missing gateway that secures AI activity. You pretty much get governance, policy enforcement, visibility. We provide logging, which is another thing that MCP does not automatically give you, and a lot of features that help reel in, like tool provisioning, what your MCPs can actually do, or what your agents rather can do once they are in sync with your MCP servers. So shameless plug, go to mcpmanager.ai to get started. And we also have a YouTube channel with some demos and that kind of thing, but it's actually zero code, super simple to get started with. Or you could just check out our blog and read more about the various attacks, vulnerabilities, threats that MCP can introduce and does introduce into your tech stack.